93 Weather Lab. Here's Daniel's True View forecast.
Welcome back, everyone. Well, finally getting a little bit of rainfall out there this afternoon. Well, some of us are anyway. Showers for the most part pretty isolated. I think we'll see a few more as we get into tomorrow. I think that the showers going to be increasing across Acadiana. We're going to get into all that. We'll take a look at all the models. Let's start, though, with a look at what's going on right now. Here is the satellite and radar picture across the Gulf Coast. Got some heavier rainfall sitting out over towards Mississippi. Made its way through northern parts of Louisiana. Brought them some much-needed rain, and then the straggling showers down closer to us. A little more broken up. Now it's quiet down over through Texas. Not a whole lot going on along the Gulf Coast, really. To our east or to our west, all the showers seem to be kind of centered here in Louisiana. And coming in from the north, they've been interacting with the sea breeze, firing up. I think we'll generally see those showers drifting southwards. Now, it has been one of those interesting days where not all the storms have really had much of a steering mechanism at all. So we have seen a couple of them just kind of floating around. I do think that these ones, though, for the most part, are heading southwards. So that does mean some wet weather on the way for travelers along I-10 who are going to be eastbound there. And as you get into Baton Rouge, you're actually running into some more showers up through there. Then northwards, just south of Opelousas, so showers going to be heading southwards. And then down over through Jefferson Davis as well as Acadia Parish, Crowley. You guys probably getting ready to see a little bit of rainfall. Here's where we are seeing some of that wet weather. Arneville with a good downpour right now. Up along 49, this is going to be just northwards of Carencro, between Carencro and Opelousas there. Again, heading southward. So I think if you are north of Opelousas, you'll be fine from this cell. There's a couple more out over towards the north, though. Just keep an eye to the sky as you go through the rest of your evening. And then Jennings dealing with some wet weather out over towards Iota as well. The heavy stuff just to the south of Iota, that stretches along I-10 and Highway 90 out over towards Welsh and then down towards Lake Arthur. Lake Arthur, you're going to continue to see those showers. I think they'll probably enter the Morse region. Crowley, you guys probably going to be seeing them as well. And these storms are just kind of drifting, so there's really not much direction that they're taking. They're not really moving all that fast either. And that will continue likely up through the remainder of the evening tonight. I think we'll start to see them break up once the sun goes down. I think Futurecast a little over aggressive with keeping those showers in place until about 10 o'clock. We may get one or two, but I don't think we'll see a whole line of them still hanging around by then. Quiet up through tomorrow morning. We may get a few clouds in the area. Partly to mostly sunny skies. Quiet start to the day. It is going to be warm. It is going to be muggy. Showers will start to fire up late in the afternoon. I think we can make it all the way to lunchtime. Dealing with sunshine. So if you have chores, if you have to get out and cut the grass or so, take care of that early on in the morning, and I think you'll be okay. The longer you wait in the day, the better chance you are to run into a little bit of rainfall. Model's now kind of backing up a little bit, but I still think probably a 40–50% chance for those showers. And then Monday, wind's going to be picking up. They'll be coming in from the south. Front gets ready to drop through, and late in the day, Monday, widespread showers across the area. More clouds than sunshine, I think, to start the work week, and then Tuesday looks to be the wettest day as that front finally works its way through. Been talking about it now for the last several days. Here's what Sunday looks like. A scattering of showers across the area, 40–50% on the rain chances. The later you go in the day, the more showers you're going to see on Monday. Really late Monday afternoon, Monday evening is when you'll see it, and then basically all day Tuesday, widespread showers across the area. Monday, Tuesday both look to be rather wet. Doesn't look like it's going to cause many issues, though. Flooding wise, well, you may end up with an inch or two of water, but I don't think we're going to get much flooding at all. If you get a heavy downpour, you can see the water kind of pool up on the roadways, but that'll be about it. Temperatures tonight going to be getting down in the mid-70s. A hot day coming up tomorrow. If you avoid the showers, I think we're probably up in the low 90s with showers helping out in the afternoon. 75 degrees for your overnight low. Nearly calm conditions. A quiet, still night. Not a whole lot of air movement out there. By the time we get into tomorrow, look for those highs to get up into the low 90s, about 93 degrees. We'll go 40–50% on your rain chances. Higher still for both Monday and Tuesday. I think Tuesday going to be the wetter of the 2 days, and then back to normal. Pop-up showers, I think, through the end of that 10-day forecast.